In this video, I'll show you how to calculate and interpret perplexity to better understand how models like Perplexity AI measure their uncertainty. I'm starting with the basics. Perplexity measures how surprised a model is by the next word in a sequence. As I scroll through the guide, you can see the mathematical formula, which represents the exponential of the average negative log likelihood. I'll focus specifically on the interpretation. A perplexity of 1 is the perfect score, meaning the model is never surprised and predicts perfectly. I'm highlighting this section because it shows that as the number increases, the model becomes less confident in its choices. Now, I'll move into a practical calculation to see this in action. I'm selecting the section where we use the Transformers library and a pre-trained GPT-2 model. In this code block, I'm importing the necessary libraries and tokenizing my example phrase, "I love learning." After running the calculation, I get the final results displayed on the screen. I'm focusing on the output now, which shows a perplexity of 23.12. This means the model is as uncertain as if it were choosing between 23 different words for that specific sequence. Understanding these decimals helps me gauge the model's predictive capability and overall confidence with very fine granularity. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.